Hey, I have a Bosch Silence Plus dishwasher Model SHX3AR75UC/08. The clean and sanitizer lights were blinking and machine was unresponsive. Had repair guy in andsaid was prob main control board, but maybe a board in the door. I replaced main control which gotmachine to activate, but automatically began running the drain pump. Pump would run whether door was open or closed. I tried a hard reset at breaker panel but didn't help. The start/rest button does not respond. The power button does, however. Thoughts?
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3.5 years old. Model SHX3AR75UC/08, Bosch Silence Plus 50 dB.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes. I have replaced main board already.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I believe I have explained all I'm experiencing with machine.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. It is in a flood mode. Water has gotten in the base of the machine and tripped the float switch. Can you access that area for inspection and drying it out?
Wondering what next logical step is. The main control board has just been replaced, which got machine active, but now it's stuck in drain mode with pump running whether door is open or closed. I replaced main board with breaker at panel off. The start/reset button seems unresponsive.
It is in a flood mode. Water has gotten in the base of the machine and tripped the float switch. Can you access that area for inspection and drying it out? I will get you a video to help accessing that area. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
Video would be awesome, thanks.
The video at the link below shows how that area is accessed. Of course, you won't need to replace the pump, but just dry the area under the tub out. Once dried out, the float will settle back down and it should restore normal operation. Let me know what you find. Smile, click here. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Cheers, let you know. Be a tomorrow job since it's 10:30 me time.
I will be here all day tomorrow, thank you.
Hey Kelly? Final got time to attend dishwasher. I disconnected drain hose, it had some water in it but not much. Removed pump. The sump hole is empty. Reconnected everything. Now the pump runs for a minute, shuts down for a minute or so, then restarts. Pump runs regardless of whether the door is open or closed. For fun, I filled sump hole with water and the pump emptied. The sump hole then shut down for a minute, then restarted. Does this non-stop? Thoughts?
The float switch is still in the flood position. Did you find any water in the base down where the pump and motor is?
This machine has only a molded plastic base. The only float-in base moves freely, and when held up from inside of machine it activates the pump. I have put machine on its side, both, on its back and front, even upside down. Lol to drain any water. Still seems to do the same when powered on. Only thing not done is remove main motor. Are there sensors in motor housing? Could it be a fault switch on the float?
You say the pump comes on when the float is elevated, but you initially said the pump is running all the time, even with the door open. Can you please clarify?
When the machine is turned off with power button, I lift the float and the pump comes on.
Pump still running with door open? It has to be in flood mode then still. That is the only way the pump will run with the door open, unless the control has issues. Did you replace the aim control down in the base of the machine in the right rear corner?
New mainboard. Initially the clean and sanitize lights were lit and machine was unresponsive. Only power button worked. Repair tech came and said it's the main board but could also be a board in door control. I bought new main board online and put it in. After install with machine powered on, the clean and sanitized lights were off. But the drain pump was constantly on. That's when we first started to correspond about this issue.
It has to be something with the flood switch circuit. However, if it turns the pump on when you raise the float and off when dropped, it would appear to be working. All wiring intact under the tub, nothing pinched or shorted.
All good underneath. I just turned it on and pump started, ran for 45 to 60 seconds, then shut down, started up again after 30 seconds. It was doing that after I initially dried up the water in bottom of sump. There are clicking sounds from machine before pump comes on. Same sound I get when I manually fill the float.
How long will it cycle like that if you just let it run?
Have let it cycle more than 3 or 4 times at any given time. Was afraid to burn out pump impeller.
It won't harm the pump. There is always water in it, even when the tub is empty. Let it run and see if it progresses.
Okay. How long max? Overnight.
No longer than 10 minutes.
Lol, just let it run 20 minutes. Same thing, on for 60-ish then off for 30-ish second.
Are you sure it is the drain pump you hear running and not the wash motor?
Drain pump for sure, it vibrates as I touch it when it's on.
I don't know what you have going on with that. You have replaced the control and the flood switch is working. I will see if another may have some input.
Thanks Kelly, appreciate your help. Cheers.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.